This video will give you a tour of a 1915 Victor talk machine Victrola motor that runs the turntable. It's a hand crank motor. And what it consists of is, in this particular model, has two springs that are counterclockwise wound. Each spring is 15 feet in length. And we have a crank system here that actually winds up the springs, and then when the motor starts moving, it turns a worm gear, which in turn is connected to a governor. The governor has weights on it that as it spins, these weights come out and this disc moves in. What the disc rides against is a leather piece that is controlled by the speed control. Depending on what height this is set, will control how fast and how much this rubs against the gear. So let me go ahead and crank this guy up. So depending on what the speed control does, a little too high, started to hit. But this gives you an overview of how the motors were made. This motor is over 100 years old, so what I'll be doing is to go ahead and tearing it down, clean the springs and everything else. So it's surprising over 100 years that this motor is still in working condition.